A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at IMTEX 2025, hall number 7, and we are sitting here at a beautiful booth of SupplyPoint. And our guest is Mr. Andrea De Lauso, Country Manager, SupplyPoint. It's good to meet you, Andrea, here at your booth. To our audience, can you let us know more about SupplyPoint, what it does, what sort of product and offerings you have?
So we are offering solution for inventory management. So pretty much we're taking care about every aspect of your warehouse, managing usually small items in your production. So our goal is to help the end user to be more in control,
Yes.
to be more effective with his business, efficient with his business, and we help the distributor as well to be more connected to their own end users, so supporting them at the best. We are based in UK and US, so we're producing machine there, and we're shipping over in India. So I'm here in this beautiful country that is 17 years that we are in.
Okay.
So it's been a long time, and we start seeing a lot of traction. So it's not only because it's winter I'm here, because it was pouring raining in Europe and it's sunny here. So we are looking for new potential customer. We're looking to work with our existing customers
Yes.
to expand the business.
And Mr. Andrea, today we are at day number 6. Since morning you must have met a lot of customers. You must have seen people coming and checking out your machine. What sort of response you are getting? What sort of enthusiasm? Because you must have moved around the show. What is the feeling you are getting?
Oh, it's very vibrant. It's very vibrant. It's very interesting for me to see IMTEX. It's the first time at IMTEX for me. I was in other show in India, but first time here. I think there's a good response from all the Indian customers. So I see people from everywhere in India. So it's very enthusiastic about our product, about the market. So every time I'm asking, what is your feeling for the future? It's like enthusiastic. So they're exploding, and we are very happy with the stand and with the customer that come and visit. So that's where we are.
Thank you, Mr. Andrea. I know it's last half an hour for the event. I won't take much of your time. Looking forward to meet you soon. Wish you a great show and have a great stay in India.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ciao.